Hi friends, so this week we have a sound of the week and the sound is mmm. Can you say mmm? Can you think of something that starts with the mmm sound? Any guesses? Well, I have some ideas. Okay friends, I have 3 things that start with the sound mmm. Let's start with this one. Any guesses as to what this is? If you said mask, you are correct. This is a mask. And what about this? Any guesses? If you said mug, then you are correct. This is a mug. And these are pictures of monkeys. Monkeys. All 3 of these start with the sound mm. Can you think of something that starts with mm?
Alright friends, hope you enjoyed the video. Now that you're done, please go find 2 objects that starts with the sound in your house. Okay, bye!